Hi, welcome back to Excel Guru. In this video, we are going to understand how to use find, replace, overwrite, go to special, paste special. These are very basic but very important and essential features of Excel, right? So let's understand how to use find. So why we require find? Suppose if we have to find some specific word or letter in entire Excel sheet, then manually it becomes very difficult to find that. Then in that case we can use this feature of find. Either you can click here find and replace and click on find, or the shortcut for find is control F. Find, the shortcut for find is control plus F. Then if you will click on control F, then this dialog box will come, and if you want to find something, let's say you want to find CSC, click on type here CSC and click enter. Find next, it will go to all the CSC keyword. Okay, so this is the CSC keyword which it will find in the entire sheet. Wherever suppose some name or something you want to search where it is available, you can use this. Okay, you can search any specific letter also. You want to just search S letter wherever it is available. See all the letter where S is available. All right. Okay, so this is find. Next come to replace. Okay, so replace, as name suggests, it will replace some word or some letter with something else. Okay, so to use replace, go to same place. Either you can manually click on replace, this dialog box will come, or you can use shortcut is for replace is see control plus H. Okay, then click control H, you will get this dialog box. Okay, so in this what you have to enter, find what. First you have to find what, which keyword you want to replace. Let's say I'm replacing SCL. Okay, replace with, you want to replace SCL with what? Okay, so I want to replace with let's say KNN, anything. Okay, so there's two options. One is replace all, second is replace. So if you will click on replace, it will replace one by one, and if you will click on replace all, then it will replace all the SCL with KNN at one go. Okay, so I'm going one by one. Replace, install. So I have clicked on replace all. So replace all has replaced all the SCL with KNN. So it is giving message also, all done, we made 4 replacements. Okay, so there were 4 SCL available in the sheet, in the entire sheet, and those have been replaced with KNN. All right, so this is replace. Let's come to override. So if you want to override some cell value with something else, then you can directly type over that. So this is KNN, you want to write SCL here, then just write SCL, it will replace KNN. All right, okay, so this is override. Now let's go to. So go to, friends, very important feature of Excel, right? Suppose you want to search some specific cell where formula is available, all the cell where formula is used, or all the cell where validation is used in the entire sheet. Okay, and all the cells were visible, all the visible cells only. So we is directly we cannot reach there manually. So then we will use this go to. So first you want to reach some specific cell. Okay, where some value is available, but manually if you will go, it will take time. So you can use go to, and you can give the reference of the cell. You want to reach to AX20, let's say, or AH20 cell. Okay, just write here AH20 and click OK. See, you have reached AH20. Okay, this is the AH20. All right, so this is to reach to some specific cell. Now what, if you want to reach to the all the cells where formula is applied, okay, then how you will reach? Suppose I want to reach to all the cells where formula is used, is manually it's impossible, I mean very difficult. Then use go to and then click on special. In special you will get all these features. So we want to reach to the all the formulas. Okay, then click on formulas, click on OK. See, it has reached here. See, in the formula bar, see this, there is formula available here. Then again click enter, it will reach here. Again formula is available here. So it will locate to all those cells where formula is available. All right, so this way you can use all these features. Like if you want to reach to blank cells, then click on blank cells, go to special, click on blank cells. All right, and if you want to reach to some last cell or visible cells only, you want to highlight all the cells where conditional formatting is highlighted, or all the cells where data validation is applied. Okay, then you can use this go to special. This is very important. If you will work on Excel, then a day in day out, then you will require to use all these features. All right, so this is about the go to special. Okay, let's come to paste special. So friends, we know how to use paste, how to copy and paste the data. Okay, all right friends, so we all know how to use copy and paste. Okay, so for copy and paste, we simply, I have highlighted this in yellow color. If you, I will copy and paste here, then it will copy the value, cell value and color, and both will be pasted. The color, I mean formatting of that cell, and the content also. Okay, suppose I want to copy only content from here, from this column F. I want to copy only values, not color. Then what I will do, because just by control C and control V, it won't work, right? So in that case we would require the paste special. So how to use that paste special? Either you go to find replace, no, so right click and go to paste special. Okay, you will get this dialog box. So this is the paste special page dialog box. Here you will get all these paste category, all these features are available of paste, and there are some, these are the operational features. These are the operations you can perform. Then some other feature also, skip blanks and transpose. Okay, we'll understand each and everything. All right, so I want to just copy and paste the content from here, all the cell values only. Then right click and remember one thing, if this value, if nothing is copied as of now, and you will click on right click and you want to go to paste special, it will not go until unless something is copied. It will be inactive. And once you will copy this range, and then if you will click right click, then you will get this paste special option. Okay, inactive, sorry, active. Okay, so you want to copy the values only, then click on the values. Okay, see, only values are copied. All right, now if you suppose it is required to copy the format only, right, then copy and go to paste special and take the formats only. See, only formats will be copied. Suppose there is some notes are available, some comments, and if you want to copy the comments only from this range, then copy and right click paste special, take the comment note only comments. See, this comment from this cell has copied, and this cell, there were only comments in two cells. So this is how we can use all the features of paste special. These are very useful. This way we can use the formats. We have used validation. You want to only copy the validation, we can copy that. Formulas, only formula you want to copy. All these features we can use it. These are very important. You know, if you will work on day in day out on Excel, then this will be very much required. Okay, let's come to the operation. What are these operations? Okay, so guys, this is very important. Operations, none, add, subtract. So by default always it is none. So if you copy anything, then no operations performed. But these are the operations available here: add, subtract, multiply, divide. We can use it, right? How to use it? Suppose there is a requirement, I'm telling you. So this is a range. I want to this entire range value, I want to multiply it by 2. Okay, I want to multiply this entire range value by 2. How you will do it? Suppose this is a huge list. Okay, so how you will do it? Manually it's become very difficult. Then you will go here, okay, and you will type and you will multiply this with 2 like this equal to multiply with 2 or something else. If you will do in separate cell. So at one go, if you want to multiply, divide, subtract anything, then see how to do that. Type 2 in different cell, copy it, control C, and then select the range, go to paste special, and then click on multiply. If you will click on multiply and click OK, see the entire value has been multiplied by 2. Alright, at one go. If this range is very huge, then manually it's very difficult to do this. Now if you want to again divide this range with 2, okay, divide it, then you have write 2 separately, copied it, then divide. It will be divided by 2. If you want to subtract by 10 value you want to subtract from this entire range, okay, then how you will do it? Type 10 separately, copy it, then select the entire range, go to paste special, and then click on subtract. Okay, see all these values have been subtracted by 10. Okay, so why I'm telling this? Because during working on Excel, many times it is required there are some cell values and you have to add some 10 values, or you have to divide it with something, with some specific value. So manually doing it becomes very difficult, but by using this you can do it at one go. It's very important. Alright, so this is the operations we can perform. Now suppose this value is in column, right? It's a vertical, right? Now you want it horizontal, then how you will change it? This is it's vertical. If you need to change it horizontally, then how you will do it? You will start typing this like this. First you will write SCL, first value is SCL, then the second value is TCS, then you will write TCS. So it's, suppose this list is huge, then it becomes very difficult. So let's understand how to do this at one go. Okay, just copy this value, come here, right click, go to paste special, and click on transpose. This transpose will work. Click on transpose and click OK. See, this entire list has come from vertical to horizontal. Okay, and from horizontal also, if you want to change this to vertical, then click on right, paste special, transpose. The entire vertical horizontal list will change to vertical. Okay, so this is how to use transpose. This is also very important. Many times it is required to change your value from horizontal to vertical. Alright, so these are the find. We have understood this find, replace, override, go to special, and paste special. Friends, these are basics but very important features of Excel. We must have good knowledge, command over all these features, basic features. Okay, so this is all about this video. Please like and don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and please click on the bell icon so that you will get the reminder